Okay, let's see here. I've already seasoned these with onion salt, garlic powder, and rosemary leaves and black pepper. So I'm going to package these up the way I would package them up to put them in the freezer. I start with parchment because some seasonings react with the foil and they'll actually make your food nasty. If you've ever packaged something up in foil and left it sit and you see that when you get back to it there's little holes in the foil and like that, the foil actually gets corroded or whatever. Alright, now we take foil and I go usually double the length of whatever I'm packaging, and then enough to go all the way around the other direction. And we want to put the top side of the ribs, the meaty side of the ribs, down, because when we put them on the grill we want the meaty side up and we want the closed sides of the foil down, because I don't want the juice to leak out. So we do that one this way, then we turn this over, do this one this way. Just like wrapping a Christmas present. Push that down. Crease it a little bit. This side up. That down, crease it a little bit. And then we pull this up like this. And if you have any points or anything on the end like that, don't pull it up real too tight because you'll puncture a hole in it. Okay? Just like that. Then that's ready for the grill. You put it on the grill this side up and it cooks the majority of the time that way. That tenderizes everything. Once you get that part done, you open it up and you can brown the top of it. A lot of people brown first. I brown at the end and I put the barbecue sauce on at the end. So, one more time. I'll keep this video short so I don't lose everybody's attention span. Come on now. Okay, same thing. Like that. Like that. And like that. And we'll do two of these. About like that. Another one like that. Okay. put this this way. Over. Well, that was a little bit much, but that's okay. This way, that. Push that one down. Up, pull this one up, and if you got a little extra here, no worries, just give it a little crimp. There you go. Now these go in the freezer. You freeze them up, and when you're ready to cook them, you take them out and you put this side up on the grill. They cook for, I don't know, probably pretty hot, 350, 375. And if you have a 3-rack grill or a 2-rack grill, 3 racks, put them in the middle, 2 racks, put them on top, and just let them go for probably an hour and a half, 2.5 hours, depending on how meaty the ribs are. And once you touch them and feel them, you can tell if they're starting to get tender and fall apart. If they are, open them up and put them directly on the grill and cook them out, brown them out, and get your barbecue sauce on them. Just make sure when you put the barbecue sauce on that you're not directly over the heat, because you want the barbecue sauce to get thick and gooey and stick and melt into it, not catch on fire and burn. So I will come back with another video later on of actually cooking them. It'll be an on and off video because I'm sure you don't want to watch an hour and a half or 2.5 hours of food cooking in foil. So I'll be back.